What are we doing today? I'm trying to start a wasp nest collection. I'm gonna put a bunch of wasp nests in the drawer. It's gonna be amazing. We found this tiny little one. Pretty sure that's dead. And then while we were looking at the tiny one, we looked up. Look at that big one right there, and it also looks dead. We have the wasp spray. We're gonna spray them all with. We already sprayed the little one, and then we're gonna knock them with this football and try to get it down. Before we get into the main video, here is a video of us pulling juvenile wasps out of a wasp nest that we previously found. But I know that there's like a leg sticking out here. Or maybe it's an antenna. I think it's a leg though. I may have pulled its leg off. Okay, we're gonna take this white piece off, like that. Then we're gonna try and... Oh, that is so not right.
But I think I see something looking at me through that window. I might be a little delusional.
Oh, his head came off. His head came off.
His head came off.
No. I dropped it. It's down there somewhere. It's down there. Ew. Oh! Whoa.
Ew.
Whoa.
That's creepy.
That is creepy. Yeah. Oh. 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 You want to spray it?
Nope, that didn't reach.
It didn't?
Nope.
Maybe we should just throw the football up there and hope.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah?
Yep. Well, that was Nope. You're gonna crush it before you ever get it down.
Broom.
Yes.
Or like a shovel or something.
Just gonna leave me here alone? Several years later. What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm a wasp murderer.
Oh! We love those. Yeah.
What?
Don't touch my knee.
Seriously?
Huh, that's been dead for a while. We didn't do anything.
Oh god, is
We
that a wasp?
We didn't do anything.
We're taking your home, man.
Oh, Are you sure that was dead?
I'm like 90% sure that was dead. 90. I can't say anything for the other 10. But... No nastiness.
Yeah, that's a very dead nest. Like it's see-through, y'all.
That is a dead nest.
I don't think spraying it again is... You're just making it poisonous.
Just for good measure.
Love, you're putting this in the room that we sleep in.
Yeah. Oh, you got close.
Oh, that wasn't good. Oh. Is he back?
I think so.
We don't have anything. We have no such thing.
Oh. What happened to your boob? Oh, you got so close! If you seen one of the previous videos, you saw the wasp nest that I bought at one of the stores downtown during our little downtown adventures. It's really, really cool. And now I want more. I'm addicted. Dude, if this were to just accidentally fall down.
That?
Giant stick from the burn pile.
Possibly.
Yeah?
Yep. Which one will he choose? Which one will it be? Oh, that's a good one. Oh.
About ready to hit someone with this.
What?
About ready to hit someone.
What?
About ready to hit someone with this.
What?
I'm about ready.
What?
About ready
What?
to hit someone with this.
You are?
I'm about ready to hit someone.
Who would that be?
Dude, what about this one?
Perfect.
I'm scared that there might be some in there.
This is what I do for love.
I love you so much. Look, Cole got a new collar. Look at that. He's so handsome. We're getting a hose.
We are determined.
We are.
We tried the hose,
We did.
and then now we're trying the ball again.
Yeah.
Oh!
Whoa.
Right about a ladder.
That is a tree. Let's see.
Dude, it's wet inside.
Is it?
It's wet.
What is it, like sap?
It's wet. No, look on the inside. Maybe?
What? It fell.
They chose the most difficult nest in the history of nests.
Well, I don't think they accounted for humans trying to get their nest down.
Or maybe they did.
Yeah, maybe they did.
Okay, he went inside to get a circular ball, but I found a tennis ball.
Wow. When we're throwing stuff out, we just found a live one. Oh god. That
Babe.
didn't work. That didn't hit it, did it?
Babe,
What?
no, it didn't. But you're gonna make him mad if you don't hit him right on. Oh, you can see him now.
That didn't work.
Babe, you're gonna make him mad!
That did not
Oh my
work.
god! There's one by the tree.
You're telling me that there was an active wasp nest right next to where we were throwing balls?
I guess.
Are you serious? Maybe they're chill.
Not if you just sprayed them! They saw your face, they know who you are.
They remember me. You do it.
Me?
Yeah. You do it. They remember me.
You're the boyfriend.
You'll be unsuspecting.
You're supposed.
Whew. Dude, this video is 47 minutes and 42 seconds. The moon is right there. The sun is setting.
We came out here when there was still sun.
We did.
Here before the sunset.
We came out here when it was sunny. And now we're still going at it.
It's fine. We may need like an ER visit or two, but it's fine.
It's fine.
For those of you who think we're stupid, you'd be right.
Ew. Ew. Ew.
Where's that spray?
Ew. Oh my god. It's gone. It's on a mission. It's on a mission. So, the big one that we were trying to knock down we couldn't get, but we did find a live one, which we killed.
You
And
think they learned not to come in?
they probably did. And we're gonna go retrieve that one tomorrow.
Hopefully. There's grass all over me somehow.
the one that we killed, we're gonna go get.
Yep, there's grass on you too. I think it's from picking up the ball.
Yeah. There's my wasp nest over there that I'm actually gonna get down and put in the box. We're gonna be back tomorrow. This is day 2 of being stupid and trying to get wasp nests down. That one we still need to get down. That one over there is dead. I'm gonna see if this can reach. It should be able to. Did that reach?
Yeah.
It did? Okay, well, there's a little one, right? Oh! Oh! Oh, come on! Whoo! Yeah! Love! There's like larvae in here that's so new, like they're worms. Look at that. That is so cool. We are being extra stupid and grabbing a ladder. Either this one or that one. So if this ends up on one of those fail videos, just know we tried. I have tape. We're gonna tape the rake to the Swiffer. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? It's stupid. So an unexpected problem. It didn't reach. So
Go get the small ladder.
we're gonna grab a small ladder. Dude, look at how cool this thing is. That is so cool. All right, here's my tub of wasp's nest. Here's the big one that we just got down. Here's the one that I got downtown. Here's the little one that was right below this one. Here's the one with like the larva in it. I'm absolutely gonna see if I can pull those out. The juvenile wasps that we pulled out of that one. All right, so here's the wasp nest that we did take down. We're gonna see if we can get some of the larvae out. Okay, let's like open up one of these. Oh, maybe you should have waited for it to dry. Oh! Oh! Oh man, that is not right.
Can you put it back into one of them?
Get in there. There you go. There it is. This one's like hard. Is this one like the same? Okay, so we're gonna need like one of the squishy covered ones. Like this one. Oh!
Was that one like starting to develop?
It kind of looks like it. Imagine if we found one moving. Oh. Oh, that one's a thick one. Oh. That's so cool. I've never seen wasp larvae before.
A lot of people will take those down and give them to their animals to eat.
Really? Wasp nests?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm. They like the larva. Or they'll give it to like their chickens too. They like to eat the larva. That was not right.
I like unboxing them. Oh, that one's got a thick head!
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh, what is that one? In the back it goes. Alright, so here's all the ones that we found. Yeah, that is crazy. Oh, they're so squishy. Oh, that is so weird. That is awesome, though.